Today, I'm going to explain the development of records and information management based on this slide. In ancient civilization, early records started as memory aids such as cave paintings and clay tokens. Later on, people began using written records like hieroglyphics, clay tablets, papyrus scrolls, and animal skin parchment. Paper was first developed in China and later used in Europe. Beginnings of record keeping in US from 20th century. In the early 20th century, record keeping practices in the US became more structured. In 1934, Robert D. W. Conner became the first archivist of the United States. By the 1935, Emmett Leachy and the National Archives staff formed a committee to analyze record for disposal. In 1936, the Society of American Archivists was founded with E.R. Newsom as its first president. Then, in 1937, the National Archive Management Program introduced the Records Life Cycle model to better manage records. Let's take a look for presidents and their recordings. Several U.S. presidents are associated with important developments in recorded conversations. Franklin D. Roosevelt from 1933 and 1945 recorded conversations. Harry S. Truman from 1945 to 1953 also made recorded conversation. Dwight D. Eisenhower from 1953 to 1961 continued this practice, and John F. Kennedy from 1961 to 1963 introduced the first secret recording network in the White House, and Richard M. Nixon from 1969 to 1974 established a secret recording system, which later became central to the Watergate scandal.
The information age is a period where information is created, stored, and shared using digital technologies. During this era, organizations moved from traditional paper record into electronic record. Computers, the internet, and digital storage system play an important role in managing information. Information is now considered a valuable asset that supports decision making and business operation. However, the information age also brings challenges such as data security, privacy issue, and rapid technological changes. Next, Web 2.0 refers to the second generation of the web that allows users to actively participate by creating and sharing content. Unlike early website, Web 2.0 platforms are interactive and social. Example includes blogs, social media, wikis, and video sharing platforms such as YouTube. Web 2.0 has changed the way people communicate and collaborate, and it has also created new challenges for record management as user generate content can become important organizational record.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Iman Hafiz bin Azman. So today I'm going to talk about a second topic. First, let's talk about information governance. Information governance is the framework that guides how an organization manages its information. It sets direction and accountability for how information is created, used, protected, and disposed of. The goal is to maximize the value of information while minimizing the risk and the cost. This framework is built on three main elements. Policy sets clear guidelines, rules, and responsibilities for managing records and information. Compliance ensure the organization follows law, regulation, and retention requirements. Process focus on policies are carried out, including the use of technology and best practice. Records management is integrated throughout the entire information life cycle. Now moving on to record management as a professional management discipline. Record management focuses on controlling records as important organizational assets and evidence of business activities. Records are created or received during daily operation and legal obligation, so they must be properly managed. Records and information management ensure information is handled throughout its life cycle, from creation to disposal. Overall, effective records management supports compliance, organization, and risk reduction. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alimah Sarah binti Ahmad Fauzi. So today I will explain the document-centric records and information lifecycle model and information lifecycle management, or ILM. This concept focuses on how document and information are managed through their lifespan in today's electronic environment. So the first one, we have document-centric records and information lifecycle model. By 2011, the document-centric records and information lifecycle model evolved to reflect the shift from paper-based record to electronic document. Documents are now stored in document management system, which emphasize the ongoing value of the information contained in them. In this system, new electronic documents enter the system, while documents that no longer support daily operation exit the system. Record management functions such as retention, disposition, and legal holds are integrated directly into most document management systems. Next, we have digitalization and automation. Documents are not originally digital can be added to the system through digitalization or scanning. Document management system automate storage, retention, searching, and disposal using indexing and search tools, making it easier for users to store and retrieve documents within electronic libraries. This system can be self-hosted or cloud-based and often integrate with applications like Microsoft Office, Salesforce, DocuSign, and QuickBooks. Some systems also offer APIs for customized integration. Next, we also have Information Lifecycle Management, ILM. Information Lifecycle Management, or ILM, is a comprehensive approach to managing information from creation and initial storage until it becomes obsolete and it's deleted. This includes managing both the data itself and its metadata. Information can be structured and unstructured. Structured data such as database is organized in rows and columns, making it easy to search and manage. Unstructured data includes image, documents, email, and social media contents, which are more difficult to classify, maintain, and dispose of. In conclusion, both the document-centric lifecycle model and ILM help organizations manage information efficiently in a data environment. By applying lifecycle controls at every stage, organizations can ensure that information remains accessible, secure, and properly managed from creation to final disposal.
I would like to explain about record management program for element, function, and activities. For the element, the RIM program consists of policies and inventory of current record, filing plan, record retention schedule, method for storing record, and protecting vital record. The policy outline the authorities and responsibilities of those working in the RIM program. The record inventory assists in identifying and defining record series for appraisal purpose. Record filing plan assists in organizing record for easily retrieval and are typically constructed using metadata and classification scheme.
Next is the function. The primary function of the RIM program are to create, maintain, utilize and dispose of record, while also fulfilling the legal requirement found within ISO 15489. The phrase record creation refers to the creation of record in a manner that is authentic, complete, meet a business purpose and retain the structural integrity of the record content and context. The term maintenance refers to the secure off-site storage of inactive record and storing active record on the premise. Compliant audit can be carried out. The last one is the activities. Key activities in the RIM program include assigning retention schedule for record series, ordering destruction or achieve of record, and using electronic image for cost saving. In addition, the RIM program accepts current inventories, establishing record retention period, handle record placed on legal hold, and migrate record to the cloud. Other key activities of the RIM program include establishing and implementing a RIM manual and prepare for disaster recovery.
Standard law, regulation, and the legal environment. It have 6 definition of standards. First one, we have codification of practice, explicit rule from implicit methodologies, body of common knowledge, consistency in practice and quality, interoperability and interconnectivity, efficiency. Law, regulations, and the legal environment. Laws are created by statutes that originate from legislative bill. Regulations are applicable only within purpose for which such regulations are made. Record management is often hosted within governance or a compliance area. That's all from me.